Dear students, we will now begin chapter 16 from GK book, that is Famous in India, and this chapter is all about the monuments in India. Monuments are some buildings, some structures that are built for as a remark of remembering something. There is a history of every monument. When you visit, India is a very beautiful place, beautiful country indeed. So in this country we have many monuments that we can go and we can visit, but not in this corona. So after the COVID is over, whenever you want to go somewhere, please tell your parents to take you, and also that you make sure that you know the history. Let us begin. This is the proudest monument, the very famous, out of India also it is very famous. This is the seventh wonder of the world, that is Taj Mahal. Now we will begin with the chapter. This is India's map, and this shows many heritage sites, many monuments. See how many are there. So India is having a lot. Here are a few, and in this video we'll be discussing a few. Okay, it is not that what we discuss only that many are there are many. India's capital, Delhi. It is a big place having maximum monuments and historical events to remember. Delhi is the heart of India, and here we are discussing the names of only 4. So this is Red Fort, Lotus Temple, Qutub Minar and India Gate. When you go, please visit these places. Very beautiful these are. In Hyderabad, India's map, where is Hyderabad? You can see. And in Hyderabad, what is famous? This is the Char Minar. This is Golden Temple in Punjab, Amritsar. Here is Agra, and in Agra, one is just we have discussed Taj Mahal, and the other one is Fatehpur Sikri. This is the state where maximum of us are staying. This is West Bengal, and in Kolkata, which is the famous monument? Victoria Memorial. This is Mumbai. In Mumbai, what is the famous monument? It is the Gateway of India. This is Hawa Mahal. See, these palaces, India is having many. This is Hawa Mahal. It is in Jaipur. Thank you for watching this video. Now we will discuss what we have to write in the copy. Write the names of the places where these monuments are located. So these are the monuments which names are given, and this side we have written the places. Char Minar. You will remember the spelling very correctly and the pronunciation. Char Minar. It is in Hyderabad. Just we have seen. Gateway of India. It is in Mumbai. Taj Mahal. It is in Agra. Red Fort. It is in Delhi. Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial. It is in Kolkata. Last one, Golden Temple. It is in Amritsar. I hope you will remember all of this. Now, thank you for watching.